Hello, and I will solve longest common prefix. Question we must solve it right. So I may use a very simple approach. Me use zips and I may loop it through near find the sets, right? In the solution no order. I think my video already. It's you can bit my check is a solution out. But the person may solve in another way. Maybe you should try data structure. So if you don't know anything about trie data structure, we mean here whiteboard and mean draw BBR, right? If you don't know anything about trie data structure, must solve a question about could be a implement trie, right? And also we to mark a normal idea of what a trie data structure is. I'm sure so I made another video specifically just on trie data structure, so the way I'll bet you more. But say and also someone tells here, just read a little bit about trie data structure, right? But basically, approach I'm about using and say, you best set up trie data structure, near insert it, a friend saying, letters no, the words no into the trie data structure. Yeah, we are near finding the prefix, the longest prefix, right? A little bit complicated, into who follow now understand trie data structure. I'll bet you saying, yeah, starting yeah. The first, the best set up a trie class, trie node class, right? Through trie node. Yeah, initialize a trie node no. So, right. Trie node usually come with two components. The children of the trie node and say if whether it's a point now you drew a word and I say a word, right? Into self.children I have a dictionary self.isWord, right? False at this time. The new one become a friend count, right? Into count of children now a friend say it's our time now, right? Yeah, they are not super count of children I war children dictionary we mono. Intention super count has a self.count be equal to 0 at this time, right? This is here I implemented trie node. There is a new introduction am I because of the this my summer question ABC, right? You have implemented trie class, right? To be initialize here no, and it's self, right? Self.root root no here in contain right? They contain new trie node no contain value behind it, right? Trie node, right? This here you be insert it, right? But before we insert no, right? Count we the for be inserting new word we are into child now. Was here increase count because here count dictionaries, no, right? Into your new function from the dev.add child, right? Self, right? Add child, yeah, the character count because here the character now yeah add it, right? To be self, if character not in children of node now, yeah, was here now, right? So of children of node way, right? See new there self dot children, yeah, the character never come, right? You create a new node amount. Okay, need increase count no by 1, right? right? Into say and I increase the count no by 1. Right? The next thing is here no initialize the way you insert, right? Into def insert self comma word with a standard, right? So node the best start here if you root, right? Node is equal to self dot root, and for character in word, if character not in node dot children, right? Like I see node dot add refer function way child character into another performance function where my adding new child they increase the count by 1 into node the count be increased by 1, right? Into if we are nearby, if that's not the case, your node be node dot children character, right? If we are near setting node dots is word no to true. Okay, into your setting up insert, right? Into see here find prefix no, right? See def and let's just call it prefix. If we define it self comma word. Okay. Into where no, so you best start node is equal to self dot root. If we create a results variable, right? Now failure started for each character in word, right? If node dots counts a equal to 1, right? Because count never says a back right? Just one child. And you brought 2, and you brought 1, and I just say no, right? Into node got 1, and I say if character in node dot children and right, if character in node dot children and at the same time so character and yet the end of the word because you have a prefix, right? And at the end of the word prefix equal to see end and just see drew end of the word, no, right? But and not no dot is word, right? Yes, idea rest dot append character into the character and the can results no, right? And yes, idea yen break it else break, right? If you are near returning you better join the array into dot join results, right? Into way any the way I'll be implemented, right? Actually, so if blah 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 and they ever call down, okay. So node equal to node dot children dot character, right? Because I want to near down view, yes I view, right? Until say you be when yes idea near call down as long as it's 1, right? Boom, 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 boom. I think say no. See, I can implementation and cause we into we see na even we crowd so no wait may implement it for as solution. All of this, which may implement it as solution for prefix implement try question. We now a solution for implement try, right? The next one says is here no, if, right? If not, suddenly the mind is a string, a empty string. If not string, return empty string, right? If length of string and so, right, a equal to one, return string of first letter, right? Now feed here. The next one I say for word in st strings, first implement a try. So try is equal to a new try class, right? It's here try dot insert word, right? It is here the words need actually, right? We are now for the return try dot prefix into brackets strs first letter, right? It is say and we'll be implementing so part we need now implement try solution, right? Similar exact same thing because we specific prefixes, but so what is our solution now? Bet we are say right. It's here. Let me see the idea. All right. In the C, and now the best solve implement try, right? Into no where the large scale data, right? Data now in a very large scale solution very relevant, right? Into but that's a Trie.